Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2068 code? This code means fuel level sensor B is sending a higher than normal voltage signal to the ECU. If ignored, the fuel gauge may show full fuel even when the tank is not full. P2068 stands for fuel level sensor B circuit high. In simple terms, the ECU is receiving an abnormally high signal from the fuel level sensor B, usually caused by a short circuit, faulty sensor, or wiring issue. Common symptoms include fuel gauge stuck on full, incorrect fuel readings, sudden fuel level fluctuations, and check engine light on. Now the most important part, component and sensor locations. Fuel level sensor B is located inside the fuel tank as part of the fuel pump and sending unit assembly. The fuel tank is positioned under the rear of the vehicle. The float and sensor module measure fuel level and send signals to the ECU and instrument cluster. The wiring harness runs from the tank module to the ECU along the vehicle chassis. For quick diagnosis, scan live fuel level data and compare readings with actual fuel level. Then inspect the wiring harness and connectors near the fuel tank for short circuits or corrosion. Check the float arm for damage or being stuck at the top position. Also test the sensor circuit for voltage irregularities. If the signal remains high, the fuel level sensor module may need replacement. Finally, repair wiring shorts, replace the faulty sensor module if necessary, clear the code, and verify fuel gauge accuracy during a road test. Fixing P2068 will restore correct fuel level display and proper fuel monitoring.